This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 19 of Sales Training Program. Goal setting. The final step in setting sales goal is for you to determine the specific activities in which you must engage to achieve your desired sales level. How many calls will you have to make to get how many appointments with prospects? How many presentations and callbacks you will have to generate to achieve a specific level of sales? Efforts will get you the sales. The most important part of planning your activities is knowing that sales activities are controllable. You cannot decide or determine where a particular sale will come from, but you can control the inputs, the activities that you must engage in to achieve the sales in the first place. And by controlling your activities, you directly control your sales result. The result will amaze you. In many cases, when you start setting goals for the week, the month, and year, and start working towards them systematically each day, you will hit those goals far faster than you expected. Many of my students set 1 year goals and hit them in 6 or 7 months. Some people have actually hit the sales goal for the entire year in as little as 3 months. Program the subconscious mind. This happens because the very act of writing a goal program into a subconscious mind. Once you have programmed a goal into a subconscious mind, it takes on a power of its own. Your subconscious mind works 24 hours per day, sleeping and walking, and start guiding you rapidly towards the achievement of this goal. The subconscious mind works for you. Your subconscious mind alerts you to opportunities and possibilities around you. It brings you the right ideas for the right thing to say, sometimes in the middle of a sale conversation. Once you program a goal into your subconscious mind, it continuously motivates you into taking the actions necessary to achieve it. This is the end of part 19 of sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training for those who are interested. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can listen to more videos like this in the coming days. Thank you for listening. And then place your comments so that I can improve myself to give a better training to you.